Kaberamaido nesi Ediopet kotomo districtan lukote so luda edumnete Akipi ochilet lo aoja Nelson Otai lo epolokit apesilo Akipi keda sewage ko soroti nesi tije atebe ebunia kada lo Akipi aiti shar ko districta lo ko Kaberamaido arai egeonai jer Akipi aboistikangin
yes je kada Akipi o Kaberamaido atonis neja soroti neseja Kaberamaido Akipi ngongo imoriso kada mtumano Kaberamaido kwenye kopani itasa atama aisisha jenjero ko aswame project jabeja aiganyo ndoro ni kotojo ayanya na rikeda temari kwa kindo project ai so kopani isa swam what we call a feasibility study ano aisisha una ibi kotona lemna kipinu aibwa ikimisho ajibetsa akora neskopani tasaso meda ejaikili bongina paki na edit kwenye kotutunga no Kaberamaido dati team betsa aduko kinkeste keche what we call a treatment plan jai kesda nina ujai muso nara la lariko na soroti mpira ala Kaberamaido de kotuko na kesda ujai na keche dan ujai soroti da
pesilo Akipi ko soroti nesi ekoranari Akipi aboisho kwa penat Kalaki soroti city soroti district Kaberamaido keda amuria Dennis Kalemwa arucho kiniton aina peta nu arucho na Akipi ko National Water and Sewerage Corporation Kampala nesi keontebe ejasi kesi awanyanar aboisnada eponere na eponio arikuna Akipi kotomo Lake Kyoga.
So the project that we intend to do, we want to construct a new water treatment plant in Lake Kyoga, which is going to supply Kaberamaido town and all the surrounding areas. We tried to look at Lake Kyoga, the ports where we can put our treatment plant. We tried to look at the points where we can have our intakes. We also tried to measure the depth of the lake to see how deep the water is, to guide us on what treatment technology we are going to use to abstract water from the lake. And then from there we are also able to assess the site conditions. We are able to understand the land use patterns to know where and how we can construct and put the plant. And then we are also able to identify the hills or the high points where water can be pumped so that it is able to flow by gravity to Kaberamaido.
Aina peta ngun esi elo munito kotoma park nada ajari eriongetelo Akipi ko soroti itegiari aitanyanyaro na koranaro Akipi ko ibuga soroti kede aboisha chie Gabriel Esiku Kanuka TV East.